Today I'm going to show you how to mirror in AutoCAD. So first of all, you need to draw your CAD file. So after you draw it, you need to also draw the reference line. How to mirror, so the course is to mirror the object in the left side or right side. First of all, you need to select your object, your entire object. Then you press enter. After you press enter, you need to select the reference line. After you select your reference line, you can rotate whatever you want. You need to mirror the object. So after that, you can left click right here. So the object is fully mirrored. Enter. After that, erase source object, yes or no? No. You need to say no. So this object comes into this place in the right side. So method two, if you didn't need this object, you can select this. First of all, you need to select mirror in home tab. After you select it, you need to hit enter in your keyboard tab. After you hit enter in your keyboard tab, select your reference line. After you select it, here is the source object. It will say, here is the source object, yes or no. If you say it yes, the source object fully will be disappeared. So we'll see new object, that same object, but this one will be removed entirely. So this is all about. Last but not least, if you need shortcut, you can use MI for mirror. Shortcut in your keyboard, you can type MI, then the full mirror will come to your search bar. So then you hit enter. After you hit enter, it will come to your drawing. So you select the object, then enter. After you select enter, then so was the drawing are available now. Thank you.